Meat?
You get milk, cheese, do you eat also? Meat, it's good if it's natural, but this meat here, not really good, they give blood hormones,
Yeah.
You can understand.
Oh.
If you eat vegetables, better.
Oh. Okay.
If you grow yourself, the vegetable is better. Because if you buy, maybe they spray to stay longer, lots of chemicals around, and body not like it. It's you can learn when you grow up. You can learn the school or the news lots of times.
Eat that donut.
All right, you guys ready?
If you make
Right.
it, hey,
Right. Like milk.
it's eggs and milk. It's healthy.
Huh? No good.
You can find, Nathan, you know that,
Alright.
You can learn nutrition when you grow up,
Alright.
They have junk food, they
Ja,
have
dat is
good
toch
food.
een squirrel, je hebt een squirrel.
Cook in the house, 100% is better for the outside.
You guys ready?
But if you hungry, you don't
Yeah.
have no time, you eat outside, better for nothing, you understand?
So,
What you can do if you're hungry?
so when you're hungry, eat.
Yeah,
Is the
But if
message.
you work, you don't have no time.
if I'm hungry, I'll eat. Okay.
I won't.
And if you go to, you go to Mandarins, lots of restaurants,
Yeah.
you can go fast the food there. But it's better if you wait and you eat the fresh, the time when you cook it.
So I don't eat until I grow my own garden?
It's better if you wait, but time sometimes.
Wait
You're
to
really
eat.
hungry, you eat fast.
I'll wait till my garden.
So don't eat.
I like Chinese food. I like Mandarin food. You like it?
Yeah.
I love Chinese food.
Yeah.
Who doesn't love Chinese food?
But you know what they do? Well, I don't know if I have to talk this stuff, Sometimes restaurants, they like to make business, money. They put the soup outside to sell today. Sometimes nobody buy, they put it in the fridge the night time. Next time, they put outside, it's not really fresh.
Yeah.
If you cook, it's better.
So it's better to grow your own milk?
I'm gonna grow some milk. If you know what I
If you
mean.
have farm and you grow yourself, it's better.
Yeah.
I think I know this happened me,
What?
Everything I say.
I'm taping right now. I'm taping you.
Don't do that.
We can put
You
it
did-
on the doctor channel.
Don't do that. Why? Why? It's good information.
I'm a doctor,
What?
I sound like doctor.
You sound like a doctor, yeah.
Put it on the.
I've been to my doctor.
Everybody knows that, but
I've been to my doctor. He says the exact same thing.
I
Grow my own milk.
What? You right? Now?
Yay.
Okay. You bet. Right?